going on? Scott with Scott's Journeys here, and today we are starting season 2 of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. Today I am on the side of a mountain. I don't know if you can see that, but you'll see it soon enough. And I am trying to get some spectacular drone shots. I'm actually in Davao, Philippines, or outside of Davao, Philippines, somewhere lost in the mountains. And actually our car broke down, but that's another vlog. If you do anything in this video, please watch the 3 shots. I'm gonna put a link to them in the description. I'll put the times. Just click on that, at least watch the 3 shots. Vote on which one is your favorite shot. Help me find my best drone shot. So here is shot 1. Okay, shot number 2. And the final shot, number 3. Thank you so much for watching Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. Please vote for your favorite shot in the comments if you like shot 1, 2, or 3. And if you have a shot that you like, leave a link in the description to it. I'll check it out, maybe feature it on the next video. Hey, I'm Scott with Scott's Journeys, and I will see you in the next video.